This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Fortuna. Welcome home to this almost new home in Lakeview. This home has been meticulously maintained and boasts pride of ownership. As you enter, you are greeted with wood flooring that guides you through this immaculate open floor plan home. The great room, kitchen, and dining area are ample spaces for entertaining. The kitchen has granite countertops, a center island, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry. The bright and airy dining area has a door that leads to the patio and manicured fenced-in backyard. The upstairs is carpeted, and you'll find an ensuite with a walk-in closet and separate bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms, an additional bathroom, and a laundry room. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below.